Right now, stop. Take a breath. Picture this. In the blink of an eye, everything shifts. Reality as you know it is gone. What if the world you see around you was suddenly alive in ways you never expected? What if all of us lived in a third-dimensional world? Welcome to a reality where straight lines no longer exist, where up is just a memory and forward doesn't make sense anymore. Welcome to the third dimension, where everything is not just three-dimensional, it's alive. At first, it's chaos. People stumble, hover, and float, unable to grasp the new rules. What used to be flat is now a space you move through, not on. The road stretches beneath you, tangles, twists, and gravity? Yeah, forget that. You find yourself walking sideways. It's a game changer. Everything you knew about perspective is gone. Your feet don't know where to land, and the horizon dances like a living thing. But the craziest part? This new world doesn't stop changing. It keeps transforming. At some point, the chaos starts to settle, but it doesn't feel like settling. It feels like discovering. The trees? They don't just stand in one place. They twist in 3D, sending roots across the sky like a floating forest. The air? It's alive, curving and bending in infinite shapes, carrying whispers from every direction. We stop thinking of the world as flat. We think of it as fluid. It's a dance of depth, shape, and size. The earth isn't something we walk on anymore. It's something we flow with. We move through it, sideways, backwards, up or down. The world is now three-dimensional in ways we've never imagined. But it's not just the world that's different. Society? Oh, it's a whole new ballgame. Trade no longer happens across flat roads. People exchange thoughts in three-dimensional conversations in ways you can't even describe. You don't meet face to face. You meet in every direction. Words float through the air like thoughts not spoken, but felt. The lines between space and time blur. Every path, every decision, and every thought can bend and fold like the world itself. Imagine no boundaries to what we can create or destroy. In this new dimension, the rules are limitless. Want to explore the sky? Don't just look up, step sideways into the clouds. Want to travel to a distant planet? Forget spaceships. Just fold space toward you, and you're there. The world, it's your playground. The power to reshape, create, and discover is ours. No more limits, no more boundaries. With the third dimension, every single possibility is within our reach. The world is not a map. It's a living, breathing, fluid universe, and we get to mold it as we please. But maybe the greatest power in this third dimension isn't what we can create, it's what we can become. As we move through this new reality, the world around us becomes a reflection of who we are, limitless, expansive, and free. So what happens when we all live in the third dimension? We change everything. We change how we see ourselves, each other, and the universe. We are no longer bound by what was. We are the architects of what could be.